Okay, time to take a look at the professional inverter welding machine. So we got a chipping hammer with a wire brush. We got our manual. It looks like we got a glass lens for this little helmet. We got our grounding clamp. Oh, it actually comes with a handful of electrodes, and these are J422. We got the handle. Always nice having something that we can use right out of the box. We got our electrode holder, and we can see it does have that X pattern so we can hold those electrodes at different angles. It's a nice small size, which is great, so if you need to like climb up a ladder or something like that, you can do that with this. We got our on-off switch here on the back, and it does have active cooling. And it has a 110 plug, so we can plug this into a standard household outlet. On the front, we got our positive, we got our negative, and then we've got our adjustment for the amp, so nice and simple. In the manual, they're showing the stinger as connected to the positive terminal on the welder on the left, so that is how we're going to be running today, DC electrode positive. You can see on my little test plate, I got kind of a mess here. I'm going to run a bead right up here toward the top. And I'm going to start out at 63 amps. So it is a little high build, so I might have to turn the heat up a little bit, but one thing I can definitely say, it is running very smoothly. There we go. So yeah, you can't see over here on the left, it's kind of bubbling over like a caterpillar. Over here when it started heating up the plate, it started melting in better. I am just going to turn up the amps and I'm going to finish that weld right there. I'm going to kick it up to 74. That thing runs so smooth. Surprising thing about it is that it's running so smooth. The second surprising thing is it's doing it and it's a tiny little welder. Yeah, that's kind of amazing. So there we go. That is our 75 amps. So we're at 63, 75. And there was already a mess on the back of that plate, but you get the idea. That thing can definitely weld. I am super happy with that. This welder, I am definitely keeping.